Hi, my name is John Amidon, and I'm from Albany, New York. I'm up here today in Syracuse, Hancock Airfield, protesting drone warfare. But more importantly, probably still is the blasphemy, the desecration of the gospel of Jesus. They're having Clergy Day today, where the base chaplain invited the local clergy to come in and be briefed on the mission and take part in approving all that's going on here. And you know what? Blessing the weapons is not what Jesus would do, not in the least. And Jesus taught love. Love God, love your neighbor. The whole of the law is love. And all of this demonstrates the exact opposite. The drone warfare has been killing more people, civilians, and unintended targets. We get that from different whistleblowers, and it's just wrong. And I have a banner that's talking about militarism destroys the environment. If we don't start taking care of the environment, we're all going to suffer greatly. Many people already are from the environmental collapse. Militarism absolutely ensures complete environmental collapse. And the environment obviously affects the whole world, period.